sistemler sistemi olarak geliştireceğimiz çelik kubbe projemizi inşallah tüm unsurlarıyla hayata geçireceğiz. Birilerinin demir kubbesi varsa bizim de çelik kubbemiz olacak.
The multi-layered air defense system steel dome, designed for modern warfare conditions, stands out as one of the most prominent examples of this effort. Systems like Korkut Hisar A+ and Hisar O+ form a comprehensive defense network against low and medium altitude threats, while the Sipar air defense system positions Turkiye as a regional leader thanks to its protection against ballistic missiles. The steel dome is not merely a defense system, it's also a security network that enables seamless coordination between land, air, and naval platforms through its integrated structure. The Turkish defense industry provides air superiority beyond UAVs. Ground-based air defense systems offer effective and mobile solutions against land-based threats. The Korkut air defense system delivers exceptional performance against short-range threats. Additionally, the Bozdoğan missile, with its precision targeting capability, offers a critical solution in modern air operations. Long-range air defense systems, such as the Sipar air defense system, enhance Turkiye's capability.